Meteorologist Jordan West joins us with a little bit of an amendment to his tease.
Yes, so I looked into it, and only about 20% of the ocean has actually been discovered.
That's so amazing,
Yeah.
you know, but so much of the earth is water.
Yeah, exactly. Majority of the earth is water, and we only really scratched the surface, literally, of the water. Therefore, there's a lot more stuff going on down there in the deep ocean that we have yet to discover. So there's that little factoid of yours. But meanwhile, back in Perry, nice blue skies like the ocean itself. Temperature out there 74 degrees. Got some winds blowing out there as well. You can see by the flags, but overall no rain out on the radar. As you can see, we see a little stuff popping up on the radar, but that could be mist or just some ground clutter. We don't typically see showers this early in the morning, at least not for today. But we do have a high pressure just to our north that would typically limit rain chances for today, but because of the high pressure, see how these arrows are going kind of clockwise, it's kind of taking some of that air, moving it off into the eastern coast over the waters and then back towards central Georgia. And that's what's going to cause those rain chances, because we need moisture for that rain to appear. And we're starting to see that moisture. All that gray is moisture, but you can also see that dry air from the high pressure just to our north, that tan color on the screen here. But nevertheless, we are again going to see rain as we start the morning off. Looks like the rain will pick up around 2 o'clock, headed from the west, headed eastward into our region. 4 o'clock, still seeing some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms, and then moving into 11 o'clock tonight, they are still there. And that's the thing about the next few days. We're going to start seeing some overnight showers pick up. This is now 3 o'clock in the morning. Still a few green spots here on the screen with temperatures sitting in the upper 70s. Moving into around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, still seeing showers. Much of it is, again, off into eastern Georgia, but I would not be surprised if some came lingering towards our area. But by 3 o'clock, we do see a lot of that rain really pick up. 5 o'clock, still seeing that rain. I know I sound like a broken record, but I mean, this is the summertime for you. Rain, rain, more rain overnight, leading into Tuesday morning even, so get ready for it. Moving into right now, we do see those temperatures in the mid-70s, 74 in Macon, 77 in Gordon, 72 in Dublin, and 74 degrees in Cochran. Dew point temperatures are back in the mid-70s, which just means it's really muggy, sticky, and heavy feeling outside. Take the humidity day by day, and there's not much change. It's all in the 70s, so that mugginess is going to continue over the next 7 days, and as a result, those heat index values are really going to ramp up. 99 is the real feel of the atmosphere as we head into 3, 4, and even 5 o'clock, so make sure you stay nice and hydrated and take frequent indoor breaks. Today, we're going to see a high of 94. Hot and humidity is the name of the game. Rain chances are still possible leading into this afternoon and even tonight as we continue to be muggy. Tomorrow, higher rain chances, but the high 92 not going to be as hot, but still really warm. And as far as the tropics, no development over the next 5 days thanks to some Sahara and dust. But let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Rain chances all week long, unfortunately, with temperature highs back in the mid-90s. But last but not least, Suzanne's fishing forecast. Looks like it froze on me, but there it is. Warm and humid waking up this morning with temperatures being around the mid-90s as we head into the afternoon today. 9:30 tonight, temperatures around the lower 70s. Showers are still possible with smaller rain chances tomorrow headed into the afternoon as well. What do you think about tomorrow, Suzanne?
I don't know. You know, fish don't like high pressure. So if high pressure moves in, that's not going to be a good thing. Maybe today. That was a fish I caught just this week. A little 2-pounder. It might look bigger than it actually was. All right. So let's get ahead and talk about your fish. Here are your big old